So today in this video we'll show you how you can create your landing page in GetResponse. So we'll show you everything step by step. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we start, let me just log in into my GetResponse account. So if I give you a quick overview of what is GetResponse. So GetResponse is basically a email marketing autoresponder that is used to send emails to your list, but you can also use it to create your landing page. So to do that, let me just log in into my GetResponse account. So I've logged into my GetResponse account the same way you have to also log in, and once you log in, the next step is that you have to click on these dots here on the top left corner. You have to click on them, and from the drop down menu you have to click on landing pages button here, and then you have to click on create landing page button here. And after clicking on, you can see that GetResponse is offering you a bunch of templates that you can choose to create your landing pages. So if you don't want to create landing pages from scratch, you can obviously choose these type of landing pages. You simply have to change the headlines, descriptions and images, and you can start using these landing pages. But if you know how to create the landing page and you want to create landing pages from scratch, then in that case I would strongly recommend you to start using the blank template. So to do that, you have to simply click on where there's written build from scratch. You have to click on show templates here, and then you can see there that GetResponse is offering you a bunch of like blank templates. You have to simply choose any of them. Let's just select this template, and now let's just give the name for this template like test 10, and then you have to click on next step. And now you can see that our landing page editor has been opened. So simply delete all of these things because we don't need any of them. We just want the plain canvas here. So before we start creating the landing page, we have to choose the offer for which we want to create the landing page. It doesn't matter it's a CP offer or affiliate offer, we have to choose the offer. So let's say that this is the offer inbox $US. It's a CP offer, and let's say for example that we want to create the landing page for this offer. If I tell you exactly that today we are going to create a bridge page for this offer, and once you have chosen your offer, the next step is that let's start creating the landing page. So you have to just double click here on the blank canvas, and you have to change the color. If you want, you can change the color. So let's say that we want to use this color for our landing page today. So let's choose this color. So the same way you have to change the background for your landing page. If you want to change, if you want to just use a white background as simple, you can do that also. And now we have to write a headline on our landing page. So we can write here, if you see that here they have written inbox pay members to read emails, take surveys online, play games and go shopping, and new users also receive $5 just for joining. So we can write here like something like let's write here earn $5 just for joining us. Okay, so we can write this on the headline, and let's make it bigger, and let's change the color of this to white, and let's make it bold. Now let's just make it more big. Okay, you have to make changes like this if you want, and you can see that our headline has been created, and we have written in our headline earn $5 just for joining us. So I have written here this because it's the best thing to write, because this is the value proposition of the offer, and this is the most attractive thing in the offer. So you have to always make sure that whatever headline you are writing on your landing page, it should be very attractive. And now after writing the headline, we have to write a sub headline. So let's just drag the text here, and in the sub headline we can write here it's written inbox pay members to read emails, take survey, play games and go shopping. So we can write here make money by playing games, opinions and online shopping. Okay, now let's just expand it, and let's just put it over here and make it italic. Now let's make it white. Let's make it little short. Okay, So we have written the headline earn $5 just for joining us, and in the sub headline we have written make money by playing games, opinion and online shopping. So these are the things that you have to look for in your offer, that whatever offer you are finding, what is the best thing to write in the headline, what is the best thing that you can add in the description or in the sub headline of the landing page. So you have to check for these things in your offer. The next step is that we have to add an image over here. So this is a survey offer and people can make money using this survey offer. So we can like search here an image of a woman working on laptop. So let's search here woman working on laptop. We can search image here and let's go to images. So you can see here a bunch of images here. So let's say that we want to choose this image, but it's a Shutterstock image, so we can't use that. Let's say that we want to use this image. So let's just simply save this image. And once you have saved the image, the next step is that we have to add the image over here. So to do that, you have to simply click on this image button over here. You have to simply drag it and then you have to leave it, and you can expand it if you want, make it big or whatever size you want. Let's just make it more big. So you can change the size according to you, and now you have to simply click on the replace button over here, and then you have to choose the image, like this image that you have downloaded. You have to simply choose that, and you have to do that by just clicking on the add files button over here, and then you have to click on select a file from your computer, or you can simply drag and drop over here. And once you have added the image, now you have to click on the add button over here, and you can see that our image has been added. And now you have to simply select this image and you have to click on the use button over here, and now you can see that our image has been replaced by the image that we have saved over here. And you can adjust this image by simply dragging it on the canvas. You have to simply drag it and you can change the position. You can even make it more big if you want by simply just clicking on these arrows, and you can see that the image has been now centered. If you want to like move it upwards, you can do that also. So this was the process on how to add the image on your GetResponse landing page. And now the next step is that we have to add a call to action button in our landing page, because whenever someone will come on our landing page, they are going to read this headline, the sub headline, and then they are going to see this image, and then finally they are going to click on the call to action button that is added over here, that we are going to add now, so that they can go on our affiliate offer or the CP offer that we are willing to promote. Like in our case, we are promoting this offer Inbox Dollar US, so we want them to land on our this offer. So to do that, you have to simply click on the button tab here and you have to drag and drop it, and you can see that our button has been added, and you can make it like big or small, whatever size you want, you can do that. It's very simple. And now you have to change the text in this button, like this is written button over here. You have to simply click on this, and in the text you can write join now, like I have written. And if you want to change the color of the button, you can also do that by clicking over here, and you can choose any color if you that you want. Like if you want to choose red color, you can do that. If you want to choose a yellow one, you can do that. But let's say that we want to go with the greenish one, and you can simply choose that and click on OK. And if you want to make your text bold, italic, you can do that also. If you want to make your text big, you can do that also by just increasing the size of the font here. And now you can see that our call to action button has been added, and for the extra space that you are seeing here, you have to simply drag it over here. And now you can see our landing page has been fully created. If you want to add like more things on your landing page, you can do that also. You can add more pages. Let's say if you want to add a different section to your landing page, you want to add the customer reviews or feedback from your client that you have got till now. So to do that, you have to simply click on the dotted square that you are seeing over here. You have to simply click it, and you have to drag and drop at the bottom here. You have to simply drag it, and now you can see another section has been added to our landing page. And to add the headline over here, you have to simply click on these lines over here. You have to drag them here, and you can add anything you want. Like you can write here feedback from our clients. So you can see the process is very simple to create the landing page on GetResponse. It's very easy. You have to simply drag and drop all of the things that you are seeing over here on the bar here. You have to simply choose the thing and you have to drag and drop on your canvas here. And now let me show you the last thing, that how you can add the affiliate link on the button here that you have added on your canvas. So to do that, you have to simply choose the offer and then you have to click on build tracking link. You have to choose search here, then raw link, and you will get a affiliate link here. You have to simply copy this, and once you do that, you have to click on the join button over here, and then you have to double click here, and then you are going to see a hook shape here. You have to click on this, and then in the web address you have to choose web address, and in the link URL you have to simply place the URL of your offer, that is your affiliate link, and then you have to simply click on the OK button here. So now our affiliate link has been completely added in the button here, and if I show you the preview for this landing page, you have to simply click on the preview button on the top here, and you can see that our landing page is loading. So let it load completely, and you can see the landing page has been loaded. This is our headline, the sub headline, the image, the call to action button, and the section that we are using to add feedbacks from our clients. So this was a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can create your landing page on GetResponse. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye.